Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Valentine's Dinopiglet using Polymer clay. So let's get started. To begin, take the light pink clay and mold it into a shape of a piglet's body. After that you can make small ears and snout. Next I made brown eyes with white glint in the eyes and pink cheeks. To make the tail, use a light pink color as well. For the heart-shaped belly, I chose pink color that is a little bit similar to purple. When the belly is done, you can make arms, legs and spikes too. After the baking, I used Plus varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Valentine's Dinopiglet looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!